Are you looking for the best garden trowel in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best garden trowel that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the C8794SP Stainless Steel Mini Folding Garden Trowel. C is proud to present their stainless steel mini folding trowel that is most definitely a must-have for the green-fingered. The premium grade trowel is durable and diverse, making it great for gardening, camping, and any other outdoor activities you might need it for. The heavy-gauge stainless steel blade ensures this small but mighty gardening tool packs a punch and stands up to tough use over time, preventing rust and corrosion. When fully extended, the trowel is 8.3 inches and just 5.3 inches when folded, thanks to a nylon canvas case complete with a belt loop. You can make the most of unobtrusive storage and portability. For more similar must-have tools for your garden, check out our reviews of the best garden shovels. Up next in the 4th place is the Wilcox All-Pro 200 2S Garden Trowel. This 14-inch stainless steel trowel from Wilcox App Pro is, besides a bulb planter, an ideal tool for deep bulb planting and breaking through stubborn clods. You can rest assured that this trowel won't bend or break as you go about your gardening thanks to the high-quality stainless steel used to craft the trowel right here in the US. Constructed from a single piece of metal, this is truly built to last. The sharp pointed edges are able to pierce and break through even the hardest soils. What's more, if you're spending hours gardening at a time, you'll appreciate the plastic handle for extra comfort along with the handy leather strap. The 3rd product on our list is the Fiskars Fiber Composite Transplanter Garden Trowel. Made for durability, this FiberComp Transplanter from Fiskars is lightweight and easy to handle, making your time in the garden a breeze. Complete with graduation marks on the blade for easy depth measurement, a one-piece design that can't bend or loosen, and a handle hang hole for simple storage, this is a great choice. The FiberComp construction is lightweight and rust-proof, yet still stronger than steel. Perfect for transplanting flowers and small plants. This super affordable trowel from Fiskars is good for both the garden and your bank balance. For more handy tools for your garden and yard, check out our guide to the best matics. 2nd on our list is the Garden Guru Lawn and Garden Tools Super Strong Garden Trowel. This hand garden trowel is arguably a keen gardener's most used tool. Good for planting, digging, weeding, scooping, and shoveling. This versatile, easy-to-use trowel makes for a great gift for gardeners, an amazing addition to your collection of garden tools. What's more, this handy trowel isn't just made with gardening in mind. It's good for all outdoor assignments. The comfortable ergonomic handle and polished stainless steel mean that you can't just use this tool for a long time, but it will last you a long time too. Guaranteed for life by Garden Guru. You can rest assured Garden Guru Lawn and Garden Tools Super Strong Garden Trowel is a solid investment indeed. Finally, the top product on our list is the Radius Garden 100 Ergonomic Aluminium Hand Trowel. Unique and patented, the natural radius grip utilized on Radius Garden Tools is like nothing else you'll have seen before on garden tools. Carefully constructed to minimize stress on hands and wrist, while maximizing comfort and power. This could quite possibly be the nicest trowel you've ever held. The considerate design of Radius Garden 100 Ergonomic Aluminium Hand Trowel makes it a particularly good choice for those with weak joints or gardeners that spend hours at a time digging away. Over the years, more than 1 million gardeners have used this trowel in good health. We think that's a pretty good measure of how good it is. To additionally protect your hands while working in the garden, pick a favorite pair of gardening gloves from our list. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.